Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Designs. I'm trying a sort of a different format today, so let me know what you think of this new style of making YouTube videos for you guys. If you don't know me, I'm a print-on-demand artist, and I've been selling online for over 5 years now. And I've been recently making some videos about Redbubble and other print-on-demand shops, letting you know how you can make money online too. And so today I just wanted to do a quick video on why you're not making sales on Redbubble. A lot of people ask me questions about this on Instagram and other places at Julie Designs on Instagram if you want to follow me there. And so I just thought I'd do a quick little presentation and show you some reasons why you might not be making the sales that you think that you should be making on Redbubble. So let's get started. So the first reason is a lot of you probably just don't have enough designs in your shop. And you might have 10 or even 20 really good designs, but you really got to be shooting for like 100 designs at least, because you never know like what's gonna become popular, and you just want to have as many pieces out there as possible that people can find and purchase from you. So if you're one of those people who has only maybe 15 to even like 50 designs, you should really just work on your craft and making more different stuff. And it could be all in your same style, but just experiment with like patterns or different types of designs so that you can maximize your potential for making money. Ineffective titles and tags is the main reason why a lot of people aren't making sales, because you might be using sort of a more artistic title, um, not something that's very descriptive of what the design is, and just not really knowing what types of keywords and tags that you should be using. So I already have another video about Redbubble keyword research tips, so make sure you check that one out. I'll link it here and in the description below. It's always really helpful to have very descriptive titles and tags for your designs so people can find them. And this just takes time and experience. And the more designs that you make, the better that you'll get at this over time. And that's why you just got to keep going with it, and you can always go back and update those later. So another reason I see a lot of people are doing is just selling other people's artwork that they've stolen from Google or somewhere else, someone's website, and that's always like a bad idea. I mean, not only is it illegal and you shouldn't be doing it, and it's someone else's work, but they've already kind of got the market cornered for that piece, so you're just gonna maybe pick up a few sales, but you're not really gonna make any major sales, and you're also probably going to potentially get taken down and have your account removed. So, there's just no point in doing that. So the next thing I see a lot of are just people using low quality or pixelated and grainy images. And if you think about it, a lot of the products that you're selling are pretty big, like a blanket or a shower curtain is like a pretty big thing. So, when you blow up an image, it's just going to look like not very good when it's really big like that. So you want to make sure that you're using the highest quality possible. If you're using um, like photography, make sure it's on the highest setting, and you can upsize it a little bit, but I don't recommend doing it too much. But just mainly start with the biggest image that you can. Um, so when you're designing, I usually go with like 10,000 and by 10,000 pixels to cover some of those larger items. So another reason that you're probably not making sales is you're not promoting your work. You can't just kind of throw it on there and expect people to find it. I mean, you might get lucky and have Redbubble feature your design or something, but they need to see it first. So, you can use Twitter, you can use Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest is another one that I highly recommend for promoting. And you don't have to be like super salesy all the time. Just kind of post your work, use a few hashtags, let your friends and family know about it, maybe make some business cards and hand them out. Like there's lots of different avenues for marketing. So just make sure you're doing something that'll help you make more sales for sure. Um, and lastly, just giving up too quickly. So, I mean, for me, it took me like a couple years before I started seeing decent sales and just was kept like learning and learning how to, use titles and tags better and like research trends and how to get more visibility. A lot of people will just do it for a few months and give up, or even a year and give up. And, it's not like a get rich quick kind of thing. It's, it's a long haul kind of thing. So just don't give up. Like keep doing it. Like you're probably not doing it as your main income. So, you have your job, just kind of keep working on it a little bit here and there. And, 5 years down the line, maybe you'll start making some decent money that you would have never been making otherwise. So, my advice is just don't give up and just keep trying and keep working on your craft, working on yourself, learning as much as you can to improve. Um, so yeah, anyway, that's kind of it for my presentation today. I hope you found something useful here. Make sure you visit my website, juliaarndesigns.com. I have way more information and tips on selling through print-on-demand websites, different ones, Society6, Amazon, etc. And make sure you leave a comment below if you have any other suggestions for video topics you'd like to see, and let me know whether or not you liked this new format and seeing my face while I'm giving these presentations and this whole PowerPoint presentation kind of style. If it works for you or if you don't like it or whatever, let me know. And I'll see you next one. Cheers.